Okay, I'm Esteban Silva of Third B, and I'm going to expose about the assassination of John F. Kennedy. Okay, first, who was John F. Kennedy? John F. Kennedy is one of the most remembered American politicians of the second half of the 20th century. After becoming the first Catholic to become president of the United States, he promoted a policy of reforms designed to regain world primacy for this country, questioned by Soviet space successes. He was born on May 29 in 1917 in Brooklyn, Massachusetts, in the United States, and died on November 22, 1963, at the age of 46 in Dallas, Texas, USA. Okay, the assassination. Uh, some 2,000 people watched the blue convertible carrying the President Kennedy roll through the streets of Dallas. It is in November 22 in 1963, and the Democratic president is campaigning for the presidential elections of 1964. His wife Jackie is by his side. On her first official trip since the death of her son newborn to her, Patrick. Texas Governor John Cawley and his wife are sitting across from them. When the car slows down, when making a turn, three shots are fired. It is exactly at 12:13. Hit by bullets, Kennedy falls forward, his blood splattering onto his wife's pink Chanel suit. Two bullets hit the president, whose head bleeds. Connolly is also injured. The car is speeding toward Parkland Hospital. Despite the efforts of 14 physical and surgeons, Kennedy is officially declared dead at 1 p.m. Connolly survived. At 1:15 p.m., Lee Harvey Oswald, an employee of the building that housed the school, bought store from whose sixth-floor window the shots were fired. Is detained in a movie theater while leaving the area. It is said that he shot and killed a police officer who pretended to arrest him earlier. Investigators have determined that it was Oswald who assassinated the president, but his conclusions do not explain how this ex-marine and defector to the Soviet Union could have acted alone. On November 24, Oswald is taken by the police to an armored vehicle that must take him from the headquarters to a code where he must be tied. In the midst the crowd of journalists who throw questions at him, a man suddenly emerges who shot the time at point blank range. Oswald touches his abdomen and falls. Not yet. 59 hours have passed since Kennedy's assassination. Oswald's attack name is Jack Rubenstein, known as Jack Ruby. He owned nightclubs and was linked to the mob. He died in operation in 1967 of cancer. But there exist some conspiracy theories. What happened in reality? The conspiracy theories opposite that the assassination involved people or organizations in addition to Lee Harvey Oswald. Most current theories put forward a criminal conspiracy involving parties as varied as the FBI, the CIA, the U.S. military, the mafia, Vice President Johnson, Cuban President Fidel Castro, the KGB, or some combination of those entities. Public opinion polls have consistently shows that most Americans believe there was a conspiracy to kill Kennedy. Gallup polls have also found that only the 20 and 30% of the population believe that Oswald had acted alone. These polls also showed that there is no agreement on who else may be involved. A former Los Angeles District Attorney Vincent Bugliosi estimated that a total of 42 groups, 82 assassins, and 214 people have been accused in various Kennedy assassination conspiracy theories. Thank you.